Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to change stamp colors on your Shopify homepage. First, access your Shopify dashboard and click Online Store on the left. On the Themes page, find your current theme. Click the three-dot menu button. In the new menu, select Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In Filter Files, search for base.cs. You'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open your store's appearance script. This contains all your store's style code. We'll scroll down to the very last line. Just keep going to the bottom. At the last blank line, hit enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit hostube.net. The link's in the description and it has the code we'll use. Just click the copy button here. Copy the code, go back to Shopify and paste it in the blank line we left. To change seal colors, look at the first two lines. First line changes background color. Second changes text color. In the first line, simply enter your desired color code. The color code starts with a hashtag followed by the code. If unsure, check the HostTube site linked in the code comment. Copy that link and open the page. There you'll find a color palette to choose from. You can choose from all color palettes. Select a color, get the code and click to copy it. After copying, go back to Shopify. In the line, select the hashtag and color code. Delete the old code and paste the new one you selected from the HostTube page. After entering the code, the badge background will change to the color of the code you selected. For this example, I'll keep the previous code, but you can choose any color you like. Below, you'll find the code to change the text color. Here, simply enter the name of the color you want. The default is white, but you can change it to any other color. Enter the color name in English. It's white now, but you could change it to blue. You can set it to black if you prefer. You can choose any color you want. I'll keep the default color as white, which I had set up earlier. After these settings, go to the top right and click the save button. Once clicked, the changes will be saved successfully. Now, when you visit your store, you'll see the offer and sold out stamps have changed color. I hope this video was helpful.